Yes, there are a ton of affiliate marketing programs available to promote today, but knowing that you are making a wise decision, that you're focused on promoting a program that will be around long term, pay out some big commissions, and will truly serve and help your audience is really important to creating a stable, long-lasting business. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, social media marketing expert and online entrepreneur, and today I'm going to walk you through one of the programs that we work with and recommend that paid us $250,000 just last year. And it hits all the check boxes I just mentioned, so stick around. Now, before I walk you through the program that paid us $250,000 just last year, I want to let you know that we are here to help you build your online business, to create your brand, to grow your audience, to generate leads and make sales. So make sure to, right now, click the subscribe button and then hit the little bell button for notifications so that you can hear all of the videos that we provide for you and we can help you succeed. First off, let's make sure that you know that we're actually legit, right? I'm not just blowing smoke. Here is our total commissions paid out from the company overall, all right? But if you look at just the commissions from 2018, if you add all of these commissions up, you actually get $248,426.06. That is a lot of money from just one of the affiliate programs that we promoted during 2018. Now, yes, income disclaimer, we worked really hard to earn that kind of money. It's a business. As in life, there are no guarantees. You have to work for it. So what program is it? It's called My Lead System Pro, often referred to as MLSP. It is an online marketing training and tools program. It's designed to teach even the newest online entrepreneur the marketing skills required to create a successful online business. Now, they focus on the core concepts of attraction marketing, the 3 steps of build, engage, and sell. So build an audience, engage with that audience, and then finally sell to that audience. About 80% of their current customers are people who are doing network marketing in some sort of fashion. So you're definitely going to hear that in their messaging. Hear them talk about uplines, recruiting, and such in their marketing. But the good news is that their system is phenomenal, and it works for any type of online business, affiliate marketing, e-commerce, digital products, online services, whatever you've got going on now or you're looking to get to in the future. A huge part of MLSP is the training. It is absolutely awesome. They cover all of the different types of platforms you can market on and the different types of online marketing. Honestly, when we first decided to build an online business, we got started here at MLSP from square one, and we just followed their training. After 18 months, we were able to retire Todd from his full-time 6-figure job. After another 18 months after that, we celebrated our very first 6-figure month. What they teach just plain works. So here's a quick behind the scenes of some of their training. This is their training library. You can see they've got all kinds of topics, things from foundational stuff to actual specific social media platform strategies, to more advanced marketing stuff like pixels, retargeting pixels, search engine optimization, and more. Now, on top of the great training that just everyone gets, those who choose to go with their highest membership level, they also get access to their training archive. Now, this is a goldmine. It's a database of all the weekly training webinars that they've ever done since they were founded over 10 years ago. Just tons of really good information. Now, beyond just the training, they've got some great tools to help even the newest online entrepreneur get set up for success. They actually provide pretty high-end WordPress blog hosting. So they have a ton of training that goes with it to help you set it up and as fast and easy as you can really get to get your own branded website. Another tool that they offer is part of their membership is called Funnelizer. Now, this allows you to create your very own customized capture pages. Now, remember, those are the pages that people opt into with their name, email, sometimes phone number, so that you can start generating leads and building your email list. Now, here's a simple example of a page that we put together using Funnelizer. If your audience happens to be people interested in learning how to market online, they also have several done-for-you lead magnets or free offers that you can use to build your list. You simply offer these free trainings to people and they provide their email for you. They have to opt in on these pages to receive them. Now, this is really nice for people who are just starting out, right? They're not ready to create their own free giveaways quite yet, or they just don't want to have to sit down and try to figure out creating a capture page at the very beginning. They can still start generating leads right away. Now, there is a ton more that comes with the system, but those are the highlights. So when it comes to the affiliate offers, it's honestly a really sweet deal. While there are currently 3 membership levels, we focus on the middle level at $149.99 a month. Now, it really gives the best option. It gives them all the functionality that they need to be successful, and it provides a great affiliate opportunity. So for the very first month that someone pays $149.97, if you are at that same membership level, you get a referral bonus of $100. Then on top of that, you actually get commissions every single month, recurring commissions as long as they are a customer. And that can range from anywhere from 30% up to 50% of their membership fees. And that really depends on how many people you've referred to their system. Now, Todd and I are at their top leadership rank. So month after month, we earn 50% of that 150 essentially, right? $74.99 of everyone's monthly membership fees we receive as the affiliate. But even folks starting out make 30%. That's $50 a month, month after month. So that ain't too shabby. What's cool is, yeah, they got a great membership program, but they also offer many more ways to get paid with their affiliate program beyond that. They've got 7 different training products that you can promote, which pay you virtually 100%. They just have to take out the nominal fee for the payment processor. Plus, there's 18 different training programs as their flagship product line that you can offer, which pays you 30% commissions. MLSP also has a great coaching program. So when you refer someone to the system, not only will you earn the commissions on their membership fees, but if they decide to purchase a mentorship package, then you earn up to 20% commissions on the packages they purchase. And those packages range anywhere from $300 all the way up to $30,000. So it's pretty sweet because all you did is refer people to the system. Then randomly you see these big old commissions coming in because they work directly with MLSP to purchase a bigger package. You weren't directly involved in that purchase at all. Now, once you refer someone to the system once, they are locked to you for life. So maybe they're a member for just a couple months, right? Life got busy, they put it on hold, and then they come back later, you get paid. Or they don't come back to restart their membership, but they purchase one of the one-off training programs a year or 2 later. Bam, you get paid. Pretty sweet. Obviously, as with any legitimate program, you're going to still have to work for it, but they offer a ton of different ways to get paid and have great products that truly serve their audience as well. Yes, Todd and I had a very steep learning curve as we got started, but once we became good marketers with all the different ways that they pay out, you can see that it's really possible to make $250,000 in just 1 calendar year. Now, if this system makes sense for the audience that you're currently building or the audience you're looking to build, we highly suggest that you give it a closer look. Now, not only will the system teach you how to be a better marketer and provide you with most of the tools you're going to need anyway to build an online business, it can also provide a substantial income to you as an affiliate offer. Just click the link at the top of the description or this little pop-up card that you see in the corner to learn more about it. If you like what you see, it's really cool because you can try it out for 10 days for just $10. Super simple, doesn't get any easier than that. So please, let me know what questions you have, either about the program itself or just affiliate marketing in general. Not only will we make sure to get back to you, but if it's something that we can shoot a video on, we will. And we'll make sure to give you a shout out during the video. I hope your eyes were open to the huge opportunity in front of you with affiliate marketing when you've got a great offer like MLSP. Now, if you got some value from this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it out on Facebook or anywhere else, and comment to let us know. We greatly appreciate you. To learn more about affiliate marketing, make sure to check out these videos right here in the upper corner of your screen. And again, this is Leah Ray from toddandleahray.com, and I'll see you soon.